of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and it is my privilege to be your Mistress of Ceremony.
Honourable Prime Minister, Ministers of Cabinet, Your Excellency Ratu Epeli, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am honoured by the very warm reception and hospitality accorded to me and my delegations since we arrived. I wish to thank the government and people of Fiji for your generosity, which is so characteristic of our Pacific family. Last year, at the Forum Leaders Meeting, we had sowed the seeds of the Blue Pacific narrative, calling us all to work together, to draw upon our shared ocean identity, geography, and resources. We were called to build and yet build upon more on a position of growing strength. We are only a week away from the 49th Forum Leaders Meeting in Nauru, with its theme, Building a Strong Pacific, Our Islands, Our People, Our Will. As you are all aware, the Pacific is fast becoming the focus of increasing strategic competition and cooperation. We know that where there is opportunity, so will there be challenges. As leaders of our vast ocean continent, we are charged with navigating this intricate environment to promote the interests of our countries and our region. Ladies and gentlemen, my short time in Fiji is simply to promote the necessity of all Pacific countries working together on the issues of priority to all of us, just as we have accorded climate change under the very able chairmanship of Fiji on our behalf. Let us not be awed by the encroaching complexities or hide in the tranquility of isolation as our means of protection. I firmly believe that the Blue Pacific narrative provides us with a sense of focus and coherence, security, and a pathway to discern action towards our regional priorities. The Blue Pacific is a great opportunity to strengthen Pacific leadership, to raise the bar on our shared responsibilities and obligations to our Pacific people, our natural resources, and our environment, culture, and livelihoods. As well, it is an opportunity to manage together these challenges and take advantage of the opportunities for positive and sustainable development through a regional agenda that is supported by all. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I believe Fiji has much to contribute to pursuing our common goal, and we look forward to its continuing leadership and support. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to propose a toast to the government and people of Fiji, and may you achieve your development aspirations, and we look forward to stronger Fiji, Samoa relations. Manuia.